Okay, everyone, today we are going to be learning how to set up and use WP Engine's AI-powered search. It's going to be all the same components as Smart Search, but this time with the power of AI. So we're going to go to Products here, and I'm going to see that, yes, Smart Search is enabled from my account, and I'm going to give it a click. So here we are on the Smart Search home screen, and I need to add it to one of my environments. I see my environment here. I'm going to give it a click. You can add multiple at the same time if you like. I'm going to add it right here. Okay, so it looks like we're activating the plugin. I'm going to go to one that has already been activated, so you can see that it's getting set up on that environment right there. We want to go to this one right here. So once this is loaded, you're going to do the exact same thing. You see WP admin is grayed out. I'm going to give WP admin a click. And if it is your very first time setting up, you're going to want to set up your settings, and you'll want to sync your data, and then you'll want to turn on the AI. And I'll show you how to do all those things right now. So we're going to give Smart Search a click right here. And so first, I'm going to go to my config, and I'm going to set up how I want all of my settings to work. So you see here, I can make various fields searchable or non-searchable, and then I can weigh these fields as well. That just means if a search term shows up in one of these fields, the search result with that will be weighed a little bit higher or a little bit less high, depending on how you set it. And again, you can set these fields to be searchable. You can see that I have my custom post types and all of my custom fields already recognized here. And so all this comes right out of the box. Here's some more fields here, all searchable. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and save that configuration. Okie dokie, so I'm gonna wanna do, you see AI powered search here. I'm gonna wanna run my hybrid search. And so what this means is if you're doing full text, really you're just doing this right here, right? It's a matching a keyword to a keyword. With hybrid search, you get that keyword matching, but you also get a full semantic search, which means it's making inferences rather than just matching keywords. So if I search for pie, I may also get results for cobbler, for instance, instead of just that regular old keyword matching. If I want to do only semantic search, I'll give this a click. But our recommendation is you start right there in the middle and experiment a little bit to make sure the search results are exactly like you want them to be. The next thing I'm going to do is add the field that I want to make semantically searchable. So this is the field we're going to run all our machine learning on, and it's the field that is going to be searched by our AI-powered search, and then all the rest of the fields will be searched by this full text. All right, so I recommend post content because it has the most text, so it has the most semantic content, and so it's going to be the most robust for the AI to search through. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add that. Looks like I'm all set up with all of my settings. And so the last thing for me to do is to index. Oh, I'm going to make sure I save. I'm going to index my data. So this is going to run the machine learning on my post content field, and it's going to index all the rest of my data for search. So let me click this. After I index all of this data, I never have to do this again. It's all going to stay up to date in real time, even that semantic data. So I close out and I'm ready to search. So this is going to work with any sort of search. There's nothing else for you to do. Any sort of search block here that you see, you're going to be able to use. Smart Search, AI-powered search, it just kind of connects to the search fields that you have. And so there you go. You're ready to start searching, and happy searching, everybody.